Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to reduce image file size without changing its resolution in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to Play Store and search for this application. So first of all, install this application into your Android smartphone. So this application is already installed in my device, so I'll just open it. So before changing the image file size, I'd like to show you the picture and its resolution. So let me show you the resolution of the image. So this is the image that I want to reduce its file size. So here is the details of the image. So you can see here it's 2.92 MB and this is the resolution of the image. So now let's move back to the application and tap here, choose photo. Now select the picture. Now here it will display the file size, that is 2924.86 KB or 2.92 MB. So now let's reduce it to 1 MB. So you can see here, when you tap on this drop down button, you can select KB or MB. So now let's make it to 1 MB and tap on start. So you can see here compressed file size 927.06 MB or 0.93 MB. Before it was 2.92 MB. So let's see the details again after the conversion. So here is the reduced image. So let's see the details. So you can see here the resolution is same, but file size is decreased or reduced from 2.92 MB to 0.93 MB. So this is how you can reduce any image file size without affecting its resolution or without changing its resolution in Android smartphone. So try this out into your Android smartphone and use this application to reduce any image. So hope you like this video tutorial, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.